Hi everyone, this is Steve Prescott with REMAX Capital Properties. Just want to give you a little second quarter update. What's going on in the real estate market, right? Everyone wants to know. So from the first quarter of 2019 to the second quarter of 2019, we had a price increase or appreciation of 7%. And that's pretty incredible for a 1 quarter time period. Amount of homes sold, it's about the same between the 2 quarters, but obviously you see the values going up. The other interesting thing is our average days on market went down. We had 50 average days in the first quarter, 30 for the second quarter, and then our median days went from 18 on the market to 10 days on the market. So that's pretty incredible. It's been a great seller's market right now in Cheyenne, a little challenging for buyers. However, if you're a buyer, it's still fantastic to buy right now because the interest rates are in the low 3%. That's really unheard of. That's great, very affordable money, if you ask me. So, if you're thinking about buying or selling, please give REMAX Capital Properties a call at 307-635-0303. We'd love to help you out, and hopefully you enjoyed the props of September. Have a great day.